Hello and welcome to Home Cooking Spain. Today I'm going to be cooking roast chicken with potatoes and red pepper. So let's begin. So I will start off by grabbing this pot and adding 1 heaped tablespoon of chicken stock powder. I will also add some paprika, about 1 teaspoon. Also a sprinkle of garlic powder, about half a teaspoon. Also some thyme, another half a teaspoon roughly. Some oregano, another half a teaspoon roughly, and some black pepper. As much or as little as you like. I won't be using salt because this chicken stock powder contains plenty. To this I will add a glass of white wine and half a litre of water roughly, and I'll put this on the stove and let it boil for 5 minutes. And in the meantime I'll peel the potatoes. So once the potatoes are peeled, I will slice them into about 1 centimetre wheels, if you can call it that. It's funny, I bought these yesterday and they were £4.75 for a bag of 5 kilos. Last month they were €6. Okay, so I'll put them there and leave them to one side. What I'll do next is this huge pepper. I'll be saving these seeds. I'm going to slice some chunks. Clean this up a little bit. So I'll just cut some big chunks, and I will also put them to one side and have a look at this, which is starting to boil. Next step, I will grab my 1 kilo chicken and I will give it a cut in half, but without going the full way. That's how I wanted it, because then I'm going to put it like that and then turn it over. So I'll put that to one side and see how the broth is doing. So the broth is ready after 5 minutes. Now I will grab my oven tray and fill it with potatoes. That's quicker, wasn't it? That should be okay. And my chicken, I will put it that way first, or shall I put it that way? I'll put it that way first. Yeah. And also add some peppers, which I should have put underneath. Put the peppers in there. Okay. Nice. And now the broth, I'll just pour it all over. I must be mad making a roast with the weather that we're having. Look at that, lovely. And I will put it in the oven at 220 degrees centigrade for half an hour. And while we wait, we'll clear this up, and I wish everyone a good day. Cheers. Okay then, so it's been half an hour, and let's have a look at this. Let's tear the potatoes around a little bit. Oh, this is so hot. Just burns my finger taking it out of the oven, and the steam just hit me right in the face. Why am I doing this on a hot summer's day? Well, that's enough. Now let's turn the chicken over. Wait a minute. Okay. God. This splashes. I'm gonna get so burnt. Whoa, nightmare. This is... There you go. So now I'll put it back in the oven again. Same temperature, and for another 30 minutes. Okay then, so it's been another half an hour. So let's do a stab check. Potatoes looking really nice. The chicken seems to be cooked. So what I will do now, so that it looks nicer, is turn the chicken over, if I can. That's it. And put it back in the oven for another 10 minutes at the same temperature, so that this will nicely brown off. Let's do it. Okay then, so here is the final result of a roast chicken with potatoes and red peppers. I hope that you have enjoyed today's recipe. Please give me a like if you like it, and please subscribe if you haven't done so. I will leave the ingredients at the end of the video and in the description of the video. So, goodbye.